Is the Wallitiq.io a scam or legit? Let's talk about that.
Wallitiq.io is a cryptocurrency platform that claims to offer AI powered trading tools and high yield investment opportunities. However, multiple independent reviews and analysis raise significant concerns about its legitimacy. So, first and foremost, it has received extremely low ratings from various platforms. We also have this unrealistic promises that the platforms advertises unusually high returns on investment, such as up to 180% APY, which are often indicative of potential scams. Also, there is no verifiable information about the company's founders and headquarters regulatory compliance. This absence of transparency is a common characteristic of fraudulent platforms. Reporters or users also complains that it has a surface of users losing funds after investing through this site, with difficulties in withdrawing money and unresponsive customer service. So I bet it is talking about this site right here where you can chat to them. So from the experts' recommendation, it tells you that avoid investing too much, conduct thorough research, of course, and report suspicious activities where you can encounter difficulties through this website. Report them immediately. And that is all, I think. I think it's like a 50-50 chance whether if it is legitimate or a scam.